With your ears plugged, you drink a whole bunch of water, and that's how you get rid of hiccups.
Nice! Instead of talking about chocolate chip cookies, Yadin is helping more people by sharing what we learned. Very Florence Nightingale of her. And the secret of the